Hi, everybody. Miss Riley here. I will tell you this is about take 25 for our virtual dance open house. So bear with me. Hopefully, we get through this one. Miss Riley, I've been the dance teacher here at Bailey Middle School for the past 9 years. I absolutely love what I do and all of our kids here. So a little bit about myself. I live in Huntersville with my husband Brian and our two boys, Alex and Ben. Alex is in seventh grade here, actually at Bailey Middle School, and Ben attends Huntersville and is going into fourth grade. We also have our 4-year-old pit mix puppy Henry. We've been together for a long time, so I took up some hobbies. I'll just share what my quarantine deal was. I started hand knitting, and then I started wreath making. Then eventually baseball season started, and I spent 100-degree weekends on the baseball field. I'd rather be at the beach, but that's not going to happen anytime soon. So my neighbor and I signed up to do a virtual race called Blue Ridge to the Beach. We have to do 475 miles by February, so that will be fun. All right, let's talk about when do we dance this year and how do we get there? So to get there, you're going to log into your dance Canvas course and access the class. It'll have announcements, our live class link, and modules to do some of our asynchronous learning. Eighth graders, I'm going to see you 10:50 to 12 p.m. every day. Seventh grade elective, I will see, or excuse me, back up. Sixth grade elective, I will see you 12:30 to 1:40. And seventh grade electives, I will see you all 1:45 to 2:55 p.m. An important note, if you are in eighth grade performance dance, I will see you first semester on B days. If you are seventh grade performance dance, I will see you guys second semester on B days. Okay? All right. So, what does dance look like this year? Little different. The space may be different. The performance perspective may change, but one thing's for sure, we are going to learn a lot. We are still going to have fun at the same time, like we always do. Just a little different environment. Seventh grade, we're going to get your introduction going on elements of dance, learn a class warm up. We're going to do a fun class dance and work on group choreography, and also then explore cultural dance then and what that would look like now. Seventh grade, your focus will be on an introduction and review of elements of dance. We're going to do a class warm up, same or a similar class dance and choreography as last year. And then we'll move on to dance for artistic expression and do a choreographer study and a performance there. Eighth grade, your focus will be review of elements. We're going to do an interactive video dance project to start off and then move into our warm up group choreography, North Carolina dance history, and 20th and 21st century social dance and a project with that. Seventh and eighth grade performance dance, we're going to continue your development of a variety of your dance techniques and form. Participate daily in dance conditioning to then help enhance your dance performance. Our movement will be doing dance live. It'll be recorded. We'll be sharing out our work. So keep that in mind. We're going to keep this as similar as possible to what we do. What do you need for dance? Okay, be ready to move. For a live class or planned movement time, you need a space about arm's length in all directions, and you need to be able to sit in a comfortable V shape. If you have any concerns about your space, please go ahead and contact me directly, and I'm happy to help you figure that out. Movable clothing. So when you're performing movement, you want to be comfortable, want to be able to move and stretch. Bare feet and socks are probably preferable. Your hair should be pulled back away from your face. Make sure you have no jewelry or extra clothing, big baggy sweatshirts. That's going to prevent your movement. Fluids, be sure to drink as much water as possible each day. This is ideal for your body and for your mind. You're going to be at a computer a lot. So you want to make sure you have your body lubricated there. Chromebook, you'll log on to Canvas each day to access everything, so make sure you have at least that. If there's any additional class supplies, I'll share that with you going down the road. But for right now, we just need our Chromebooks. And last thing I need you, a mindset to just let loose. Dance has always been fun, and it will continue to be. Our body naturally, of course, wants to move, so really embrace that and just let it loose during class. All right. If you need to reach me at any point in time, my contact information should pop up here on the screen in just a moment. You can reach me by email at DannaL.Riley@CMS, or check out our website at broncosdance.weebly.com. Thank you, everybody, and we'll see you next week. Take care.